What is going on, everybody? It's your boy SoFly Trades here, back with another banger. And in this video, I just want to talk about the one trade that I took today that I talked about yesterday that I would look to take if it presented itself, and that was calls around that 438 area. And as you guys can see, the only time we reached that 438 area was around 7 o'clock. And that fitted perfectly within my plan with between 6:55 and 7 o'clock was when we touched that area. I like to wait the first 30 minutes of market open, like I always say, simply because, that's when the smart money gets into the market. And I was very intrigued on what we might do. If we were to break below this 438, I'd be looking for puts if we broke below and retested it with low buying volume. But as you guys can see here on SPY, I use SPX as a confluence for my trades. And as you guys can see here around this, let me move myself. This is the 655 area is the same area right here. Right here. It bounced off this pivot point and it just took off. And this is where my level was. And the only way I could take call options at this level is if we touched it, and we touched it. And I had my stop loss about 20 cents under. I only took 2 contracts, so I was risking $40. And I sold contracts. I bought them at around $80 and I sold them at around $130 to $127 per contract. So on that trade, I basically took price from here to this candles, to these 2 candlesticks right here. So I got in here, sold here. So this was about a basically a 1 to 2 risk to reward, or 1 to 1.5. I'm not sure. But anyway, contracts are still exploding, as you guys can see here. And I bought them for $80. They're currently at 160, so double what I bought them for. But I'm trading lighter, and I was just focusing on my execution. So I just took my profits. You guys can see here, $98. I only had 2 contracts, so I was trading super duper light. Mondays are usually days where I go red. So I like to be careful, wait the first 30 minutes, and also trade extra light on Mondays, simply because I don't want to put myself in a position where my emotions come out and I'm all stressed out and I start making decisions that I wouldn't normally make if my emotions weren't as present. So that's basically where I took price. I could have held honestly longer, but I wanted to take my profits. I'm trying to just focus on execution more. Honestly, I could have held because my stop loss was under this key level, this 439, once we broke above, and we didn't get back under it. So I really could have held and still been in the trade and been up, at least another $90. But it's all good. I'm not tripping, Shoot, when I used to DoorDash, it would take me all day just to make $100. It would take me all day on DoorDash to make $100. And mind you, you got to put gas in the car first before you go DoorDash. So, I'll take $98 in what? 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes? Take it, man. You got to always remember where you came from as you start moving up. Because it's quick and easy to lose sight of money in the stock market, because money moves fast, and it's, sometimes you can think even winning $50 isn't enough, but it really is, especially if you've never won $50 in the stock market before, or if you win $50 consistently. If you were to win $50 consistently for 250 trading days, that would be $12,500 extra a year. And as you guys can see, we're still exploding. Contracts are just still exploding right now. Still exploding. But it's all good. I took my trade of the day. I could have entered again at this 439.52 after the break and retest of this key level. I could have entered again, but I didn't want to risk anything. Like I said, it's Monday. I just want to play it smart. I'm already green on the day. There's no reason to get greedy right now. But other than that, I appreciate everybody for tuning in, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace. And remember, trade smart, trade safe. I'll see you guys next time.